Nsem-Pii TV nie.
Abronye de abeto dwa se eye Yewura Mahama Airbus scandal binumu allege se ona ye government official wana mate abidukura de beto abonten na Akuffo adokora akoka ho asem bi no. Enye na Akuffo ado na aka asem no. Eye US District Court and the Crown Court of England na de beto dwa masa description na ebi associating with Yewura former President John Dramani Mahama. Enti ye osi Yewura Mahama eje ne hudi a ono ankasa wonhwehwem na insanity e wo saa asem no. Odi nsem bebre tu dwa a chese Yewura Mahama nua bi ho nsem bebre so paka ominkuti se do saa nsem tu.
On the issue of Omampanyin na Addo danko Akuffo ado ne nsem e course wo bar conference na NDC fo asori dinner time. In fact, former President Mahama Kurana Sanaba be dinner time. Nanyedikan. Former President Mahama saw person gary na uhu fifita. And yana Addo danko Akuffo ado Kurana is a winning in answer. Because government official wine. And yana Addo ne introduce you. Of a certain time. And yet, district court United States of America. And the Crown Court UK. Omona Kase. So far, US judgment now Moma page 37. Or say between 2009 and 2016, individual one, a citizen of Ghana, was a high elected government official in Ghana.
High-ranking elected government official
in Ghana.
Hey, high-ranking,
yes,
elected.
Where judgment
official
from the U.S. court. This how your panina so official one or Modewa. As I'm trying to be sour, say. Me de me ho ye example me ametie se kire bo bi sia kwasi gbafo okrum no ka so anaso de kwasi gbafo akogina wa ko UK ye chi na so emre bi na kwasi gbafo papa eye MPP regional chairman ya modina fajo ese me am sore ne me fight say between 2019 to 2026 no nipa no ye bono regional chairman ye me ana meboa ofanyamia just am sorry na mko kre say judgment bi aba na between that period no me na me ye government official e wo Ghana offer judgment
sounds rodia say we ya bom dia go ya mom didia me nkonko jema
me kwaje
atom so butu puna.
They are very, very important. So, Ghana need be a government official, many John Dramani Mahama there. And then you take the court on any complainant now or do court and now between 2009 and 2016, Ghana ha elected government official what you be
a official
what you be a or no need your statement in all the other and I watch the circumstances here and now so official wine no a buy now on all the class on all the cacosi so say most of me a credit agent here. Yes, medium and claim official, and it is true. Of a bra abujina pony asenswa sembaye. Open a cocan asem. The NDC and Akuffo who are from more your friends a dynamic youth movement of Ghana. And no dia sense so call any abujina poko slide. Oh yeah way. Omo do omo ko slide omo ye sa group we no woman nyina simranti a operative free NDC headquarters no mo ha sa dynamic youth movement of Ghana no mo dey asenso any abugina poko shrine to the enipa or yes appointment in a former president John Dramani Mahama wo mo ti ni mu no asana shrine ne kan ye ne say or say the commission is certified that the evidence does not support the allegation of corruption and abuse of office against Mrs. Abujinapo and Asenso Boache. Slide, Omayi Omode Baini. Ntina Nando, Eko Kase, ono the unclean agent be and yes, slide in Akeleo. Ntina Nando, Asame na Waka, your mama, dear Mika, Abakas, or you're stupid. Hey. Dear Mika, some tell me to so can't be man. At a second, Don Mahama, a 2-year boat. Taken on to office on your government official one. Hey, Martin Amidu. Of us all Kaya on 4th November 2020. Martin Amidu issue statement. No issue statement as some more Kaya say. Or see the evidence. Or see the evidence gathered in the case of the Republic. Versus Samuel President John Dram November 2020. Mantiami do statement or the buy. Or say the evidence also discloses that John Dramani Mahama described as former president of plot number 6 North Street, Tesano, box 104 Accra was the first with Alfred Abdullah Mahama, falsely described as a civil servant, also of plot number 6, North Street, Tesano, as the second guarantor of the application of Samuel Adam Mahama, described as a project manager, also of plot number 6, was a former President Mahama and his elder brother, Alfred Abdullah Mahama, both knew that Samuel Adam Mahama had not attended University of Ghana from 6 July 1992 to 4 November 1994, but nonetheless granted application verifying the statement contained in the application for a Ghanaian passport.
Chairman, Jama Minchim.
Chairman, key.
Or they say, I can't Mahama for me and
Mahama means
I can't John Dramani Mahama. I can't Fred Mahama. Oh, no, yet John Mahama near me.
Correct.
And you can't Samuel Mahama.
Yes.
Samuel Mahama, Anna.
No.
Adiani Nano, you describe her as a project manager.
Exactly.
Only no dear. Now, Samuel Mahama, and your mamma in Yaketwa, na Osa. And a Bronibi, British Bronibi, oh, Akotna UK.
Yes.
And I'll catch your mamma, papa, so my men foul back into a
Enco.
Namen Kanko, no, they don't call it.
Yeah.
Until on your Ghana, or your British.
Ni.
Anna, or back. A sign, son.
170.
Transaction, yeah.
And
a your mamma, and in your friend, mamma, yes, a better Ghana passport on me. No, so no more. Any other documents, almost your man.
Yes.
And almost can't say, Samuel Mahama, or University of Ghana, 92. Legon 92, 14 September 1992. You call Great Hall.
Oh, talk January, 6 January.
Okay, there goes.
Okay, diploma in Mayaka management. Diploma management.
Okay, first, no, not statistics for statistics common and over here. Oh. Why be so many why be
interpretation.
And you know, some of my ya Airbus translation. Oh, yeah, mamma, yeah, or Cotran and Brony be adopted, no, no, who say, I don't know, Mokoya Ghana document, Zaman or Moko. President Mahama, a sitting president. What me call your document?
For document.
So call your passport to Ama, Unia no Ghana ni no co University of Ghana 92. One co University of Ghana or co January 92 no year 94. Or a diploma in there.
My anchor management. So Mono Nsem-Pii.
Because Obi Okolo 92 be an anchor so we 95.
Yes.
And now lecturers. Okaya Guta, President near friend is Shadow. Omo type. Omo na omo ma 95 will be a new legon. Last me shako be a neneka. No, not only legon.
Nsem-Pii TV near